Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Importing a file as a package in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Importing files as packages in Python allows you to organize and modularize your code for better readability and maintainability. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of importing a file as a package, providing a clear understanding of how to structure your project and access functions or classes from different files. Start by organizing your project into a directory structure. Create a main folder for your project and then subfolders for each module. For example, the __init__.py file is required to treat the directory as a package. Now, let's create some Python files in the my_package folder. For demonstration purposes, we'll create two modules, module1.py and module2.py. Module1.py. Module2.py. In your main_script.py, you can import functions from the modules using the following syntax. Main_script.py. Navigate to the main project directory in your terminal and execute the main_script.py file. You should see the output. Congratulations! You have successfully imported files as a package in Python. Importing files as packages in Python is a powerful way to organize your code and promote code reuse. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can structure your project effectively and easily access functions or classes from different modules. This modular approach enhances code readability, scalability, and maintainability in larger projects. ChatGPT.